Okay, this is a tutorial about how to set up a blog on blogger.com. So first you want to go to blogger.com and then click on the Create Your Blog Now link, and that will bring you to a form that you can fill out. So pick a username and fill that out. Then enter your password, and then it asks you to retype your password, and you can make these things up to be anything that you want. Your display name is what will be shown to people when they read your post. It'll say something like, "This is by Kadab" in this case, and then type in your email address and accept the terms, and then you just click on continue. Blogger wants you to next name your blog, so we're going to name ours Video Kadab. You can name yours anything though, education blog. And then it's going to ask you for the URL where you want to actually put your blog on the web. So this is the actual place where you can find your blog anytime. And then click on the continue link. There are many blog templates that can be chosen on blogger.com. So we're going to pick one for our blog to make it look neat. So now Blogger is creating our blog for us, and once it's done we will actually have access to go into our blog and make some changes on some of the settings that we have. Alright, our blog has been created, so we'll start posting. The first thing that we come to is a place where we can enter in our first blog posting. So I'm going to name this Video Kadab. But like I say, it could be named anything that you'd like it to be named. And we're just going to put a little hello and welcome. And this is our first post on the blog that we're going to begin using in the classroom. You can decide to allow new comments on this post. For instance, students will be able to comment on the post that you've made and put their answers to perhaps a question that you have or responses to anything that you put on there. And then we're going to click on View Blog, and there is our blog. As we go around on the blog, there's a number of things that we can change about a blog on blogger.com. You can go to Settings, and you can change the title of your blog. In Settings you can also change so that students have access to your blog to be able to post themselves onto it. If you go to Permissions and click on that, and then click on the Add Authors button within Permissions, then it will give you the option to put email addresses in of your students, and click on the Invite button to allow them to insert their own blog posts onto your blog. There's many different settings that you can change. There's a template setting in which you could change the look of your blog, make it look differently. We're going to go ahead and change that. Most of this is HTML markup, but we're going to go ahead and pick New instead of having to get into the HTML of things, and we can just choose what kind of a theme we'd like. We picked one before, but say we didn't like that one, we can use this template that I clicked on. So, and then it says you must refresh your blog, republish your blog to be able to see it again. So published successfully, and let's go into that. See, now we have a new template in our blog that we can use.